Welcome to Automatrix, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into a true icon of American engineering, a car that has consistently set benchmarks for performance and design, the Chevrolet Corvette. But this isn't just any Corvette. This is the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Corvette LT1, a masterpiece of power, precision, and innovation. The Corvette LT1 has always been a symbol of attainable supercar performance, and the 2025 model takes that legacy to a whole new level. Right off the bat, the design grabs your attention. The low, wide stance immediately conveys aggression, while the flowing lines and sharp angles are a testament to its aerodynamic prowess. Up front, the signature Corvette fascia features slimmer LED headlights and an enlarged grille for improved cooling. Functional side air intakes and a rear diffuser enhance both aesthetics and performance, ensuring the LT1 doesn't just look fast. It is fast. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT1 V engine. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 495 horsepower and 470 lp-ft of torque, staying true to the Corvette's performance roots. What's new for 2025 is an optional mild hybrid system, adding an electric motor to boost torque delivery at lower RPMs and improve overall efficiency. This hybrid assistance doesn't compromise the Corvette's raw power but instead enhances its responsiveness, especially during acceleration. 0 to 60, you're looking at just 3.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. The purists, the LT1 still offers a short-throw 7-speed manual transmission, allowing you to feel completely connected to the car. If you prefer modern convenience without sacrificing performance, there's also an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, delivering lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. Both options are perfectly calibrated to maximize the thrill of driving. Step inside the 2025 Corvette LT1 and you'll find a cockpit that's as futuristic as it is functional. The driver-focused interior places all controls within easy reach, giving you the feeling of sitting in a jet fighter. Premium materials like leather, suede, and carbon fiber create an atmosphere of luxury, while the bolstered performance seats provide incredible comfort and support during spirited drives. Advise caution and best protection from heavy falling rock. The seat in the front feels like a capsule protected by a polished axle. The flat-table steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, is a subtle reminder that this car is built for the track. Tech enthusiasts will love the cutting-edge features packed into the LT1. A fully digital 12-inch driver display offers customizable views including performance stats, lap times, and navigation. The center console is dominated by a crisp, 10-inch touchscreen powered by Chevrolet's latest infotainment system, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A new addition for 2025 is the Performance Data Recorder 2.0, allowing drivers to capture and analyze their laps with enhanced telemetry data. And for those who love their music as much as their speed, the available Bose Performance Series audio system delivers crystal-clear sound quality. The Corvette LT1 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about handling precision. The mid-senior layout provides perfect weight distribution, and with the optional Z51 performance package, you get upgrades like enhanced brakes, a performance-tuned suspension, and a limited slip differential. Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 adjusts the suspension in real time, ensuring the car remains composed whether you're attacking tight corners or cruising down the highway. The lightweight aluminum chassis and carbon fiber components reduce weight without compromising strength, giving the LT1 an edge over its rivals. Safety is also a priority in the 2025 Corvette LT1. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For added convenience, a new 360-degree parking system ensures effortless parking and better visibility. The 2025 Corvette LT1 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, offering supercar performance at a price that doesn't require a 7-figure bank account. It's a car for enthusiasts, thrill seekers, and anyone who appreciates the art of driving. So, who is the Corvette LT1 for? It's for the person who wants to feel every ounce of power under their foot, every turn of the wheel, and every roar of the V8. It's for those who value precision engineering and iconic design. Whether you're taking it to the track or cruising through city streets, the 2025 Corvette LT1 promises an experience that's unforgettable. Thanks for watching Automatrix. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette LT1, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about this new Corvette. Until next time, stay passionate, stay curious, and we'll see you on the road. End of podcast. Metaphor helps us establish a wider understanding of the technologies and, more importantly, a degree of perspective that generates optimistic,